concealing. Welcome to my AM morning routine using these palettes from IPSY's Icon Box. Really is ready to go. That way my lips are nice and rejuvenated. When I put a lipstick on later, we're going to apply this lip mask first. Duo's Beso Balm. Lips are mask. Maquillage. Color Boss Master Palette. Such stunning shades. Look how gorgeous these are. This deep brown shade. Apply this to the outer edge. I did see a challenge where the person makeup routine without saying the word like or in that video, it kind of made me irritated because the person kept saying the word like. Should I do that video where I don't say the word like or Line this up. I'm going to use this lighter brown shade edge of the brush. Tap this one right around that deep shade. Blending it out. I hate this pimple here. Time for the shimmer. Use this pink one. Too gorgeous not to use today. It looks better in person, I'm not even gonna lie. Continuing with the shimmer, light pink. I always have an inner corner highlight. I think it looks so pretty. Lens. She is beauty, she is Frizz. Since the eyeshadow's done, it's Danessa Myricks eyeliner. I don't think I've ever used anything from Danessa Myricks, and I'm pretty excited. Sharp tip. Looking out. We can fix this bottom line later. Filling it in. Bring it in a little bit more. Time for the under eye. Deepest shade down a bit. Other edge of the eye. Wing it out. Pink matte shade close to the inner corner. Before I call it a day, I almost forgot to apply this. Shake it up.